If we're going to cut back on screen time by, let's say, 80 or 90% for middle school kids, is my hope, we have to get rid of most of the screen use, at least through middle school and elementary school. We have to then give them not just something to do, we have to restore to them what a normal childhood is, which is a lot of independent play. And we have to give them chores and responsibilities. I mean, running errands, going to the store, these are great things to do. Kids today feel useless. This comes up in a lot of surveys. They say, my life has no purpose. Sometimes I feel useless. Sometimes I feel I'm no good at all. All of this starts really in 2012, 2013. And the more we let our kids be part of the family, do some jobs, run errands, the more they'll feel useful. I think we will not roll it back all the way, but I think we will, for the first time, see these rising curves. They're going to turn around. They're going to drop. The suicide rate will drop. The depression rate will drop. Again, I can't say it's going to go back to where it was in 2010, but I think we can really bring it down. And so far, it's done nothing but rise.